Top 5 Best Crypto Wallets 2021. There's certainly a lot to consider when looking to get involved within crypto. What sector of the decentralized landscape should you be focused on? How should you be hedging your assets and risks? What blockchain should you focus your investments in? However, the most important consideration is one that's often overlooked. What is the best crypto wallet out there and which one should you be using? A crypto wallet is easily one of the most important aspects of crypto trading. It's your primary gateway into the world of decentralized finances. Great of you to join us today at No Cap Crypto as we take a very close look at the best of the many crypto wallets currently available and why you should maybe consider shifting your assets. We have some brilliant recommendations for you across a wide spectrum of choices, so pay close attention and stick around till the end of this video because we have some real gems in store. There are many important considerations that an investor needs to take into account when selecting a wallet. It's more than just security, but aspects such as functionality and ease of use should also be important. Number 5. Ledger Hardware Wallet. The first crypto wallet you should consider investing in is the world-renowned Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X series. These are one of the greatest and most secure hardware wallets available. The Ledger series allows users to store their crypto on a physical device roughly the size of a USB device. The beauty of owning an actual hardware wallet as opposed to software-based wallets is the fact that your keys are completely left offline. This is another added layer of protection from cyber hacks, phishing scams, and keyloggers, easily the highest level of protection for your crypto that money can buy. These private keys from Ledger are actually so secure that you yourself would not know them. They're actually stored within the device itself and secured through a PIN number. In order for any thief to get access to your crypto on a ledger, they would need to physically steal the device and crack your PIN number, or guess the 20-word recovery seed. Not going to happen. But the benefits of using a Ledger hardware wallet far extends past the unbelievable level of security. These wallets also give you access to Ledger Live, an app that helps with managing the many apps installed on your device, which helps you further manage your multiple crypto accounts, alongside supporting an excess of 1,000 coins and growing. The premier Ledger Nano series even has Bluetooth that allows for phone connectivity alongside a complete array of insane benefits. This is seriously one of the premier and most luxurious crypto wallets out there and a must-have for any serious trader. Number 4. Exodus Software Wallet, Desktop and Mobile. But perhaps the Ledger seems a bit excessive. Although one of the best hardware wallets money can buy, maybe such a heavy dedication is not really necessary right now. In that case, definitely check out Exodus. The Exodus wallet has seen continued and healthy development since its conception and has since become a trustworthy name across crypto. An absolutely brilliant and completely free multi-currency wallet that's one of the easiest to use across the decentralized space. Highly recommended for any beginner crypto trader. Unbelievably easy to use alongside 24/7 support through live chat and even a built-in crypto exchange with over 100 coins supported as of now, with that number steadily growing by the day. Of the many software wallets available, Exodus maintains a particularly secure system due to its heavy integration with Trezor, another premier crypto hardware wallet provider. This Exodus and Trezor partnership are easily one of the greatest in the crypto wallet space. Although nowhere near as secure as an actual hardware wallet and seriously lacking supported tokens, Exodus is a brilliant first wallet for many new crypto traders. Number 3. Trezor Hardware Wallet. The Trezor wallet itself is also highly recommended. Similar to Ledger, there exist two primary models to choose from. Trezor is considerably easier to use in relation to the Ledger series, and the team has opted to focus on simplicity and security as opposed to attractive features. With a noticeably higher selling price than the Ledger products, while still lacking application features, a Ledger Live application equivalent, and even Bluetooth support, it's clear to see that Trezor is spending all its earning focused heavily on the actual security alongside the support of more than 1,000 coins. Trezor is easily one of the best hardware wallets out there, remarkably easy to set up and get running, especially in comparison to the Ledger. Alongside a fantastic integration with the Exodus wallet, definitely consider Trezor as a potential wallet. Before we get into our top 2 crypto wallets, You should definitely consider getting them. We need to ask. Hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to No Cap Crypto because we release videos like this every week. Also, comment below and let us know what crypto wallet you're currently using and what you think about it. Make sure to stay to the end to not miss out on our greatest recommendations. Number 2. Trust Software Wallet, Mobile. Trust Wallet is easily one of the most widespread and most secure wallets available. Up for downloading on the App Store or Google Play, the Trust Wallet enables users to carry around remarkably secure crypto wallets on their very own mobile phones. Another multi-coin wallet, Trust Wallet's greatest feature is its ability to interact with many other decentralized applications through its revolutionary dApp browser. Directly through the app, investors are able to immediately access and interact with countless decentralized protocols. Completely free, open source, fully verified staking features alongside token support for thousands upon thousands of coins. Although insanely secure, the vulnerability of your actual mobile device is the limiting weakness of the actual wallet. Number 1. MetaMask Software Wallet, Desktop and Mobile. One of the greatest crypto wallets out there that are aimed at both novice and advanced crypto investors, rising to widespread prominence due to its use as a browser extension of programs such as Chrome, Firefox, and the extremely secure Brave browser. MetaMask initially acted as a bridge between standard web browsers and the Ethereum blockchain. Although MetaMask prioritizes hosting Ethereum and ERC-related tokens, it should be noted that users are able to manually add a variety of other tokens, such as those listed on the Binance Smart Chain and etc., although this process does get a little more technical. The greatest advantage of MetaMask is how easily it links with countless decentralized applications. There are many projects that feature the iconic MetaMask logo, which allows users to easily link their wallet to a project safely, securely, and immediately. In closing, there currently exists hundreds of wallets available to users. From the short list presented, it's clear to see that every single wallet is beneficial to particular types of investors, from hardware to software to custodial and non-custodial. Do your research and guarantee the safety of your assets. Let us know what you think about today's list of the greatest crypto wallets available in the comments below. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and that this video exists purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research and make your own intelligent financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.